morning everyone. My name is Ankit Vora and I am your max educator of a grade 9th. Today we are going to discuss one topic related to surface area and volume. Now first of all, what is the surface areas and the volumes? In that, first of all, let us discuss about the areas. Areas means the things which we are covering full part of any of the object, that is considered as an area. And next one is volume. Volumes means the capacity, the object which we are filling with any types of liquid or else water, we can say. That means the capacity which we are considering, that is known as volumes. Now first of all, let us start with the two shapes, that is cuboid and one of them is cube. I have drawn separately both the shapes. In that, first one is of cuboid. So cuboid is the shape like we are daily seeing, that is a brick or else we can say our compass box. So in that shape we are having totally three measurements, that is length, breadth and height. Total three measurements are there, that is length, breadth and height. So all the three measurements are of two types. So for example, see, I have written here two shapes, that one is closed figure and another is open. In open figure we can see here various types of length, breadth and height are already given. So all the combination, that is of length, breadth and height, all are of two types. Two times we are considering. So it will be termed as, see, our first formula will be total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area means we have to cover whole part from outside and inside also. So in that case, first term will be length into breadth, but we have to take two times. So 2 into L into B, plus second times also we are considering breadth and height. Breadth and height is also two times, and last one is height into length. So this one is also two times. So lastly 2 taken out common from each bracket, and this will become 2 into LB plus BH plus HH. So this one is the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area means we have to cover the whole figure from outside and inside both the ways. So same way, next shape is of a cube. So here cube three faces are there of A and A. In cuboid we are having length, breadth and height. All things are different, but in cube all the sides are same, like way we can say as a square. So all the sides are same, so all are considered as an A, side of a A. So by seeing open figure, all S into S means side into side in terms of square. We had written here A square in all the way. Total how many forms are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 shapes are there. So we had derived a formula from this, that is total surface area of cube. And for total surface area of a cube, that is 2 into, first of all, A into A, that is A square. Then after again A into A, in third way also A into A. Three side, length, breadth and height. Three times we have to consider A into A into A. So this will be 2 bracket A square plus A square plus A square will becomes 3A square. So 3 into 2 it will be 6, therefore 6A square. Therefore the total surface area of a cube is considered as a 6A square. Clear? Now we had in both the shapes we had considered only total surface area. So what about if any of the shape is open from the top or bottom? So let us see for that. That is the third one is lateral surface area. The word lateral means open from the one side or else we can say from two sides, both the side. Means top and bottom it is open. Suppose we are considering one figure of a cuboid. Suppose it is open from top and bottom, means upper side length, breadth and bottom way length, breadth are not considered. So only length into height and breadth into height we have to consider. So here length and breadth are not there. So what will become 2 as it is. Now length into height plus 2 times breadth into height. In both this bracket, here 2 and H both are common. Means 2 and into height is common. So here remaining part it is L and here remaining part it is breadth. So the formula for lateral surface area will be 2H into L plus B. So same way the lateral surface area for the cube, lateral surface area of the cube. So Cube is also from open from top and bottom. So 2 times a into a plus a into a. A into a it will be a square. So a square plus a square will be 2a square. And lastly 2a square into 2 it will be 4a square. So this will be the lateral surface area of a cube. So 4 formulas are there for the two shapes, that is cuboid and a cube. For cuboid it is total surface area and next is the lateral surface area. Similarly for cube it is same as total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. In different example we will be using these formulas to find the different measurement of this length, breadth and height. Okay students, now we will be moving further related to some sums we are doing now related to the formula which we have seen just now before. That is example number 1. So let us see what is given here. It is that if we have a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter, then find its surface area. Now here in the question it is given that length, breadth and height are 15, 10 and 20 respectively. What we have to do is we have to find its surface area. Now recall the formula which we have learned, that is total surface area of cuboid is 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So it will be 2 as it is. Now see here, in place of length what we are given, length is 15 centimeter. So in place of length it is 15, in place of breadth it is 10, that is given already in the question. Now in place of breadth 10 as it is. Now in place of height it is given as 20. So height is written as a 20. Same way h and l 20 and 15. So what first step we are doing is we are just keeping the values of length, breadth and height. So now solve it out. What is this? 15 into 10 it will become 150, right? Now then after plus 10 into 20 it will be 200. And lastly 20 into 15, so 15 to the 30, so it will be 300. Now what we have to do, add up all this, 150 plus 200 plus 300, so it will be 650. So multiplying with 620, 650 with 2, it will be 1300 centimeter square. One thing remember, that always area will be written in centimeter square, meter square or any of the unit will be written as in terms of square. And whenever the volume parts comes, which we are going to discuss further, so in volume we will be considering as a centimeter cube, meter cube. Clear? Okay, now next example number 2 is related to the next shape, that is the cube. Next is related to cube. Now see what is given, that a cubical box has each edge of a 10 centimeter. All of each edge is of a 10 centimeter. Then find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube. In this question we have to find both of this, that is the total surface area and also lateral surface area. So let us start with the total surface area. TSA means short form, that is total surface area of a cube, and that is 6a square. Now A means what? A means an edge already given as 10 centimeter, that is A is equal to 10 centimeter already given in the question. So by putting the value of A as a 10, 6 as it is, in place of A we have written here 10 because edge is of a 10. So 10 square means 10 into 10, that is 100, and 6 is as it is, and 6 into 100 it will become 600 centimeter square. So this one is our total surface area. Nextly what we have to find, that is a lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral means what? First of all, lateral means we have discussed that it is open from top and a bottom, that will be considered as a lateral. So this one is the short form, that is LSA, lateral surface area of a cube. Clear? So formula is what? 4a square. Lateral surface area of cube is a 4a square. So now 4 as it is, in place of a already we know that a is a 10 centimeter. So in place of a it will be 10, and 10 square it will be 100. 10 into 10 will be 100. So 4 into 100 will become 400 centimeter square. So this was of two. One of them was a total surface area and another one is of a lateral surface area. Both this formula we had considered two examples. First of all was of a cuboid and another was of a cube. Now in these two shapes different examples are also there. In the further in the chapter we will discuss these all topics related to the cubes, cuboid, and right now we have discussed only two shapes, that is cube and cuboid. Furtherly in this chapter there are cylinder, then after sphere, then after cone. All these shapes we are going to discuss further about area and volumes. Okay, till then, bye, take care.